Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is updated and you're signed into the right Google account because settings are account-specific. Once done, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon at top right. This gives access to settings where ad controls live. Make sure to close other app stores or ad blockers temporarily to avoid conflicts. Now, tap Settings, and we'll move directly into personalization and notification controls, so ads stop showing in ways you don't want. You'll find targeted ad controls under General, then Account and Device Preferences. This is where Google tailors ads based on activity. Once there, turn off ad personalization and any interest-based advertising toggles. This reduces personalized recommendations across apps. Make sure to also check notifications to stop promotional push messages and enable Data Saver only if you want fewer background ad fetches. These moves reduce ad relevance and volume. However, they don't remove all ads, so next we curb app-specific promos. Now focus on in-app ads and stubborn promotions. Open an app's Play Store page, tap the three dots, and disable auto-updates and promotional notifications for that app. This stops some store-driven prompts. If an app shows persistent ads, consider uninstalling or restricting its permissions. Apps with overlays or background access often push ads. If you still see ads, clear Play Store cache, reboot the device, and reset your Google Advertising ID in Settings. These clean up lingering identifiers and typically resolve most remaining ad issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.